The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil, which I have right here from doTERRA. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the Arborvitae essential oil from doTERRA. Known as the Tree of Life, Arborvitae is majestic in size and abundant in unique benefits. The doTERRA Arborvitae essential oil is sourced from the heartwood of the Thuja plicata tree. It is also known as Western red cedar and is native to North America, primarily Canada and the northwestern United States. This unique source of Arborvitae essential oil contains a distinct chemical profile and is uniquely concentrated in methyl thujate. The sourcing arrangements for this oil are done in an innovative, environmentally responsible way through the distillation of residual wood materials to ensure no trees are unnecessarily harvested for production. Native to Canada, all parts of the Arborvitae tree were used extensively by Native Americans for health benefits and for building vessels, totem poles, baskets, and clothing. Because of its natural preserving properties, Arborvitae prevents wood from rotting, which makes it popular in woodcraft and for preserving natural wood surfaces. The main common uses for Arborvitae with doTERRA are aromatic, so breathing it in, or topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main health benefits of Arborvitae are that it handles internal threats, has a calming effect, and serves as an effective bug repellent. The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil, which I have right here from doTERRA. And this is a carrier oil that you can apply with this Arborvitae on the bottoms of your feet to address internal threats. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like the pedal diffuser from doTERRA to repel bugs or balance emotions. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, or click one of the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.